hanging out with Dan. Woo! Joey right now. Joey's the cameraman today. We're going all the way to Port Perry to see our good friend Alex.
Give us some eye flash.
What?
There you go, eye flash me. Come on now. Maybe not on the turn.
Yeah, I know.
This is so fucked up.
104, we just passed.
That's it, yeah, that's it right there. We found Alex's house.
Yeah, we did.
That took fucking a long time. Hope you don't reverse into a kid.
Could you imagine?
I hope.
That would be the worst day. I guess we're here.
Right.
This way. No, you're not.
Whoa, you've got a lot more brown now.
In my hair?
Yeah.
I know. It's also this thing where it's
Tail.
It's like a whip.
Yeah, it's worse than my dog.
Hi, baby. Oh, you're so big. Come on, bud. Come on.
Close my screen.
Come on.
Did it stop filming? No, it's still going. Oh.
Up to year 2. Now we're vlogging. That says I need to get closer to you. Oh.
This is my swamp. He yells at me and calls me a faggot. 50-50 shot.
That's awesome.
He's been going at that water. It's a vibration of
I'm not getting the
my bottom lip and my top teeth.
Oh, I can do it. Am I doing it?
You're getting like the perfect buzz though.
A little
I'm just
bit.
making a noise.
Well, after a while,
I mean,
you get it down.
You got that? Good for you. Now I'm just having fun looking through things.
Yeah, well now I'm not.
Whistle for me. Whistle, Dan. Try.
That's close as I get to whistling.
We watched an entire class on trying to make that noise and no one could do it. He may not whistle, but he can do that.
Like my horse game.
I can do that. Not all the time though. Sometimes I can do it, sometimes it fucks up.
Hi, baby. Yes, he's you. Monkey, isn't he? He's full of
It's
surf.
a dog. Oh wow.
Really, really sad.
That's brutal.
Yeah, but this record player is just like, aw.
Oh, but you don't want to sell it?
Leave another one. Leave a few.
What?
Dan the dickhead over here.
I'm trying to
What?
think.
So much sentimental value, and you're just like, yeah, you want to hawk it off to me? Why not?
Going to Dairy Queen.
We're in Port Perry.
This is my first time ever in Port Perry.
That's a lie. I thought you've been here before.
No, why would I have any reason to come here?
Why would I?
Other than you.
Go to Oxford.
To get a tattoo. Something so it ends up being like $8 or $15.
How's that Blizzard Joe?
That's good.
So it's like $15 a day.
What?
Like
Huh?
7.5 there, 7.5 back.
I apologize.
And then,
I elbowed her elbow.
So that's like $80 a week just in go.
That's true.
Elbow.
So there's
It's gone. It's almost gone. It's spinning around. Ooh.
so there's
Creepy demon shit.
Is this the place where people go to like drink and
I
smoke
was
weed?
just gonna say that. It's like
Is it?
Grace and I found needles in here once.
Needles. Yeah, let's go. This is some Jurassic Park shit.
Hey guys, what's a yellow
What's a
vegetable
yellow
that starts with the letter C?
Corn.
There you go.
Holy fuck!
Alex, what's going on right now?
Well, we're just checking out some of my favorite spots in Port Perry, Ontario.
What's this spot called?
Well, this is like a really sketchy spot. I don't know. Like a lot of homeless people live here. I like that bridge. When I was little, I used to think it was really big, and then I came back to it as a grown-up. Well, not as a grown-up, but as me now, and I was like, this is the smallest bridge ever. I used to think it was grand and romantic, and it's not. It's metal, and it looks like that.
Gone fishing. Catch anything? No. Nothing. Fishing. Yeah.
Okay, moving on.
Dan's enjoying wildlife. Tall twat. Hey, Dan.
Yo, is that? Why is there a random pole?
You love how this sign says, please stay on the path, and then they put a bench not on the path. I hope it shifts when he stands
Oh my
on
god, Dan, what if you just float away and we never saw you again? Are you
it.
gonna
Oh, that wouldn't happen. Whoa.
This is
The
gonna
water
go
actually is
viral.
pretty deep
Kid
over here.
falls in pond.
Yeah, hold on to the grass for support.
I really hope it rolls.
Daniel!
You're tempting to
Solid
say
as a
The amount of spit that just came out of your mouth.
I know, right?
Glorious.
I didn't mean to.
He's got excited.
Yeah, usually something else goes everywhere when I get sick.
It's okay, we're gonna Me too.
Yeah, we like Alex.
Damn it.
Yeah, no, she's gone now.
She's quirkier than me. Dragon races.
Yeah, like they're like really big here. My aunt's and uncle are on a dragon boat.
It's the local Port Perry tramp laying on a bench. Ah, it's a seagull.
Do you guys want to hijack a dragon boat?
Setting. Yo, I like that big.
Yeah, she said.
That's what she. Oh!
That?
Yeah.
Looks like he's being banged by the dog. Just from this angle, because all I see is the dog's head.
That's a lover, yeah.
This is probably just in the background of this video.
I know.
And apparently what you do is you put a $5 bill, like you fold it over your nose, and then the stripper has to take it off using anything but her hands. So normally they just take their boobs and like pinch it off your face. Apparently that's how you do it. Did you just record me explaining that?
Yeah.
God damn it. Get out of here. Cut it out, you wanker.
He'll like dig at your hands.
This is my swamp.
That was so good. This is my swamp.
You're basically filming my ceiling.
Yeah, basically, because I'm trying to type on my phone. God damn it. Okay, fine, I'll stop. Bye, viewers.